welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the support. Honestly, I really do appreciate. So on my channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. Yes, but today's video is sponsored by Uniacco. With the rising number of students planning to study abroad, it is inevitable that students are looking for student accommodation near their universities, while also hoping for the affordability factor to consider. Keeping your convenience as a priority, allow me to introduce to you guys Uniacco, a global student accommodation platform. It was launched in October 2019. Uniacco is a global leader in the student accommodation industry with over 3 million beds and present in more than 10 countries. Thanks to its 10,000 properties, 6 million students from 145 countries have used their website. Isn't that great? So Uniacco has an outstanding policy like no university, no pay, no deposit. Together with its free of charge services, make it the #1 choice for students traveling overseas. This isn't all. With the special incentives like cashback, Amazon voucher and more, you have even more grounds to choose Uniacco as your student accommodation provider. The main draw is that Uniacco offers a host of room types like studios, en-suite, non-en-suite, twin studios and more. Uniacco has it all. The fact that you can compare properties based on their features and price while also getting the benefit of its price match guarantee feature adds to its allure. These properties have a host of amenities including a gym, theater, laundry, game room, garden and so much more. So now group booking call for attractive deals. If you and your friend wish to book your accommodation together, I would suggest you should proceed with the group booking and avail of a huge discount you will not even anticipate coming your way. And even after you've got it all sorted, you are likely to make money from Uniacco. Wondering how? Refer a friend to Uniacco and stand the chance to earn £100 for every booking made via your link. So I'm going to leave all that you need to know on the description below, including my own referral link. Go check them out and thank me later. So guys, that is it for Uniacco. Please, if you have any family member wanting to travel abroad, give them my referral link so that they can use to book for their accommodation. It simply means that if you use my referral link to book for your accommodation, I'm going to get the referral bonus. Yes, your baby girl is going to get a referral bonus. That is why I want you guys to use the link. Now fast forward to today's video. Today's video we're going to be doing empty house tour. But before then, I want to show you guys what the before of the house looks like. So here in the UK, sometimes if you're searching for accommodation, they can send you a video of the house tour. So if you like it, you might be like, okay, I'm going to pay for the house, I don't have to view the house. You understand? So some people do that, but I'm going to advise you, if they send you the house to view online, still tell them you want to go and see the house, because sometimes it's not really what you're seeing on the video that is what you're going to see, or that is what you're going to meet when you move into the house. So I'm going to always advise you, even when they send you the video, still tell the letting agent, I mean like the housing agent, that you still want to see the house before making any payments, because sometimes after making the payments, I don't think they'll give you any refund when you've signed the agreement that yeah, you've paid for this house. I don't think they'll give you any refund. I don't think so. So I will always advise you to view the house before making any payments. So now let me show you guys what the house looks like before we go and view the house, for you guys to tell me what you guys think about the house. What do you guys think about the before and after viewing the house? So yeah, that is the sitting room. You can see that is the sitting room. That's lounge, isn't it? That's what they call it here. So that's the lounge. And they said the furniture, or should I say everything in there is inclusive. So I'm going to call it a, what's it called? So I'm going to say it's furnished, because they say everything in the house goes with it. So it goes for £675. So guys, tell me what you guys think about this house, please. It's a 3-bedroom house. So this is the first room, yeah, and there's a toilet there. This is the first bedroom. There's a bed, it's reading table, a small drawer, okay. So this is the first room. This is the second room. Also, there's a table, there's a wardrobe, and a bed. So this is, should I call it fully furnished? What do you guys think? Should I call it fully furnished apartment or house or trays? So this is the toilet. Yeah, this is another extra wardrobe. And yes, we're going to the third bedroom now. So this is the third bedroom. This is the attic, they call it, isn't it? I used to call it rooftop. Ah, Stella. So yeah, this is the third bedroom. And there's a toilet there too. So you can see the toilet there. There's a toilet and shower. Or should I say, is it just shower? Yeah. There's a toilet and shower there. So guys, that is just it. This is a 3-bedroom house. So guys, that is it for the house. So now let's go and view the house. But before we go and view the house, I want to tell you guys something. In this UK, there are beautiful houses, but there are also like some kind of houses that you'll be like, God, is this house in the UK? Yes. So sometimes people will be like, is this house really in the UK? Yes, it is in the UK. But I'll always say this, whatever you see at the moment, if you don't really have the time to waste searching for house, you can just manage what you see at the moment, and later on you search for that kind of house you want to. So let's go view the house, guys. This is the area. Not too bad though. So yeah, this is the area. It's not too bad.
Look good.
Yeah. So okay, this is the kitchen.
So you have separate fridge.
Come see.
You have separate fridge and separate freezer. You have storage here.
Yeah. Okay.
You have boiler.
Okay, this is the boiler.
Here.
Okay.
Okay. You have your microwave.
Okay.
And you have cooker.
Yeah. So where is the washing machine?
Washing machine is downstairs.
Okay, downstairs.
I'll show you.
Okay. Okay, so there's like a basement here.
Yeah.
I don't.
You can go. It's safe. It's fine.
Oh really? Okay. This is the basement.
This is where the washing machine is, and you can put some storage in.
Come on in. Okay. So this is the basement. Okay.
Basement. Okay. Washing machine.
Yeah, this is
closed. Nobody can come here through the basement. This door is locked.
Okay.
This is just the outside bit. Nobody can come inside.
Okay.
This is just all the frame, but you know the mirror.
Yeah.
And the frame, the table will stay.
Okay.
I'll come off. I'll put the lights on.
So yeah, this is it. And this is the dining area. So now we're going to the bedroom. Okay. So, and the bed too will stay.
Yes.
Okay.
All the furniture will stay.
Okay. So this is the first bedroom, and mind you, all the furniture here will stay. So all this table, all this is going to stay. Okay. So let's go to the next one. So this is second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom.
Big wardrobe you can open.
Okay. So this is the wardrobe though. Okay.
And you have storage underneath the beds as well, okay?
Okay, there's storage under there.
You have this as well for storage.
Okay, this is a storage too. Is this 2 bedroom?
3. There's an attic
Okay.
with a bathroom upstairs.
So this is bathroom. The bathroom is quite spacious too.
Yeah, and then storage in there.
Yeah, this is bathroom. Yeah. So this is the attic. So this is the attic.
Maybe how old are the children?
Wow.
How old are the children?
And spacious.
Like 7, 8?
Yeah.
Maybe they have the
So this is the attic.
I thought it was gonna be like.
9.
So this is the bathroom.
She's still living here in her room.
And
Can
this.
we rent it for business?
You have a professional setup. You have to let the mortgage company know. The mortgage company will
Okay.
not give consent. If you do Airbnb, a lot of them not telling mortgage company, but if you have a fire, you avoid everything. You lose everything.
Is it because of a different tax code or
The mortgage company, what's happening? People get mortgage for their own residential and they're
Okay.
putting for commercial. That's breaching the mortgage condition. The only
Okay.
time the lender will find out, if you imagine the tenant is not going to look after the house, how
Yeah.
you will look after it. They use electric heaters, they do all sorts. You know?
Yeah.
This is how it is now because of so many, good people but also bad people ruining the system.
Oh, okay, so I'm just going to show them this, but it's nice though.
Yeah, if they're going to take it, they need to take it as a family but not as a business.
Not a business. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
because you need to have a commercial lease if it's a business.
Oh, thank you for clarifying that.
Oh, that's fine.
So she got a job as a nurse.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
You got it to the same hospital as
Yeah.
you? Oh, is it thanks to you?
You know, online they're recruiting lots of people now.
There's a lot of people they're recruiting, in the care home.
Yeah.
And the nursing, especially
Yeah.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
You Nigerians people are so hard working. Honestly, I even observe it in the care home.
Yeah.
Like very hard working.
Do you know any care home recruiting now?
No, not really.
So guys, so this is a typical example of before and after viewing. So now before I go upstairs, I want you guys to tell me what do you guys think about the house. So if you see the house, before I go in there to view the house, you can see that the first video I showed you guys what the house looked like. It looked nice and better, although I'm not saying the house is too bad though, because honestly lately it has not been easy. I don't know if I'm editing this video, I don't know if I'm going to put my email to show you guys how many rejections I've been getting. So because so many persons have been begging me, please help me get a house and all of that. Some persons send me a link, and when I click on it and call the agency, the house letting agent, they'll tell me, okay, your name is on the record, we'll let you know when the house is available. That's because they've got lots of people wanting to view the house. So now the kind of house you will be seeing now will have, like, should I say, K-leg. So now I'm not saying there are not better houses. So there are other better houses, but they are quite expensive. And here in West Yorkshire, I feel houses are a bit cheaper even compared to the south and other places. I know houses are quite cheaper here. But even as that, if you're coming from your home country, I'm sorry, I'm a Nigerian, I base here in the UK. If you're coming from Nigeria, I know that for the fact that we have to convert naira, to pay our rent for the first few months before we settle, start working and all of that. So if you're coming from Nigeria, obviously you're going to convert naira. So if you're converting naira, imagine paying like 500,000 every month, 500,000 every month until you get a steady job or until you get settled, start working and all of that. So that few months you're paying 500 or 600,000 naira every month is a lot, to be honest. We've not talked about cost of living, electricity, like internet and all of that. We've not even talked about all of that. So it is very, very expensive. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys some UK houses, to be honest. If this content look like what you're going to be interested in, then stick tight to this channel, because I'm going to be showing you guys the good, the bad and the ugly. It simply means that I'm going to be showing you guys both posh houses too here in West Yorkshire. So now let's say, for example, you want to come into this country and you see a house cost £1,500. Sometimes agent will tell me, okay, what's this person doing, can they see their pay slip. So if your pay slip does not match to the cost of the house per month, they might look for excuse to tell you that, okay, this house somebody is viewing it or something like that, because they feel you cannot afford to pay maybe like £1,500 every month. Obviously nobody will want to rent a house where they'll be dragging you for money, pay your house rent. In this UK, I don't think people have that time, although some persons still owe house rent. Like the serious crisis here in the UK, it has not been easy. Everybody is complaining, both citizens and non-citizens, so it's affecting everybody. Anyways, leave me a comment what you guys think about this house. Like I said, this house is not that wow, but for a first timer, I think you should just manage it, because getting a house here is not easy. So for now, I don't know if this person will accept this house or not, but if you don't accept it, it's left for you, because if you come to the UK, you'll be living from one hotel to another. So I decided to make this video and show you guys what house hunting looks like here in the UK. And don't forget to leave me a comment if you're enjoying this house viewing and if you want more of this house viewing. I'll see you guys in my next video.